So I wanted to stop here at Pendower and show you a spectacular example of an angular unconformity. An unconformity in geology speak is effectively a gap in the geological record. So when we look at rocks, you've got to treat rocks as a kind of a database, a physical, natural database for geologists to study and understand when they formed, the environment they formed in, the conditions, such as temperature and pressure, and what's happened since they formed as well. Have they been deformed in any way? And that's all very good because we can use that to piece together the Earth's history from understanding and reading the rocks that we see. The problem comes is that we don't have a continuous geological record. We have gaps in time when no sediment is deposited, when rocks are eroded away. And that's kind of like trying to piece together a 4.6 billion year old jigsaw puzzle, but with 20% of the pieces. So the unconformity we've got here, we call it an angular unconformity because the older rocks below are at an angle, and the boundary between them, they're cut off between these horizontal units above. And what we have here is the slates, these kind of metamorphosed mud rocks below, which are part of the Pendower Formation. These formed around 390, 400 million years ago. And these are overlain by Pleistocene sediments. They're superficial sediments. They haven't quite properly turned into rocks yet. And these formed about 100, 120,000 years ago. So that means that at that line there is about 390 million years of Earth history missing from the geological record. 390 million years. How incredible is that? That's a lot that's been and gone since then, things like the dinosaurs and all sorts. Okay, we don't have a record for at this location. We're now starting to slowly piece together Cornwall's geological puzzle by understanding the physical rocks we see, but also what happened in these gaps between them as well, by looking elsewhere and using that story to add to our own. We're not quite there yet, but let's keep going on some more of these posts and videos and try and make a bit more sense of it.